Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Areej Tahir and today we'll be talking to another one of our students and find out the problems that students usually have when they're preparing for NET and what's the solution to it. Let's get to it.
Hello everyone, my name is Eman Khan and I am a student of Mass Communication, batch 2K20. When I was giving the NET test, though it was the COVID time, so there was a lot of uncertainty with what to do and what not to do regarding the syllabus, especially because I didn't have anybody to guide me in the sense that I didn't have it face to face. Even when I went online, so there was a plethora of what could be done and what could not be done. Just there was a lot of anxiety that was created. First time around I gave it Vessi, but second time around I had more of a sense of what was going on. However, it wasn't set in a set parameter, but then the third time around there was less of an anxiety, even though I still didn't have any idea what to expect, what was going to be there, what was not going to be there. So yeah.
The good part about the NET that you can prepare on Tabir Academy is that first of all courses में हर subject का breakdown है. There's subject, उसके sub subjects, ठीक है, उससे related उसके questions, ठीक है, and then there's a learning box that you can track your progress as well. आप question ठीक करते हैं, ठीक है, it will tell you what the right answer was. If you do it incorrectly, then it will tell you कि सही answer क्या है, and it will also help you understand the concept behind it. And then you can also track the learning box के through the things that you have learned, things that you have not learned, and through the progress bar you can also determine कि आपने कितना कर लिया, आपने कितना नहीं करना. Since there's everything there, there's a set track of things that you need to follow. It makes things very, very easy for you. Thank you so much. See you next time.